Welcome to the online world. Your free website awaits. In today's digital age, having a website is crucial. It's your online home, your voice in the vast digital landscape. Whether you're a small business owner, an artist showcasing your work, or simply someone who wants to share their thoughts with the world, a website is a must. The good news is, creating a website has never been easier or more affordable. Gone are the days of needing coding knowledge or a hefty budget. With the abundance of free website builders available, you can have a stunning website up and running in no time. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, using simple language and helpful visuals. We'll explore popular free website builders, guide you through choosing a domain name, and show you how to customize your site to reflect your unique style and message. Get ready to unlock the power of the internet and share your story with the world. Your free website adventure starts now. Choosing your website's foundation. Free website builders. The first step in your website creation journey is choosing a free website builder. Think of this as the foundation upon which your online home will be built. There are several excellent options available, each with its own strengths and features. One popular choice is Wix. Wix is known for its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it incredibly easy for beginners to create visually appealing websites. They offer a wide array of templates to choose from, covering various industries and niches. Another great option is WordPress.com. WordPress.com is a hosted platform, meaning you don't have to worry about technical aspects like hosting and security. They offer a good balance of ease of use and customization options. Weebly is another popular free website builder that's worth considering. Weebly is known for its intuitive editor and mobile-friendly templates. They also offer a built-in e-commerce feature, making it a great option for those looking to sell products online. Take some time to explore each of these website builders. Browse their template libraries, test out their interfaces, and see which one feels most intuitive and best suits your needs. Your online address. Picking the perfect domain name. Now that you've chosen your website builder, it's time to select a domain name. Your domain name is your online address, the name people will type into their web browser to visit your website. Choosing the right domain name is important. It should be memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your website's content or brand. Ideally, your domain name should be short and catchy. This makes it easier for people to remember and type correctly. If your website is for a business, try to use your business name in the domain name. If your desired domain name is taken, consider adding a relevant keyword or your location. Most free website builders offer a free subdomain as part of their free plan. This means your website address will include their brand name, such as your website name.wixsite.com. While a free subdomain is a great place to start, consider upgrading to a custom domain name in the future. A custom domain name looks more professional and helps build trust with your audience. Dive in. Signing up and exploring your builder. With your website builder and domain name selected, it's time to dive in and create your account. Head over to the website of your chosen builder and look for a Sign Up Free or Get Started button. You'll likely be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and desired website name. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be taken to your website builder's dashboard. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your website, from adding content to customizing the design. Most website builders offer a guided tour or tutorial to help you get acquainted with their platform. Don't be afraid to click around, explore the different features, and experiment. The beauty of these platforms is that they're designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Section 5. Setting the stage. Selecting and customizing your template. Now comes the fun part, designing your website. Your chosen website builder will offer a library of professionally designed templates to get you started. Templates provide a pre-built framework for your website, complete with layout, colors, and fonts. This saves you a ton of time and effort, allowing you to focus on adding your own content and personality. Browse through the available templates and choose one that aligns with your website's purpose and aesthetic. Consider factors such as the overall layout, the use of images and white space, and the typography. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize it to make it your own. Most website builders offer intuitive drag-and-drop editors, allowing you to easily add, remove, or rearrange elements on your pages. Experiment with different color schemes, fonts, and images to create a look and feel that reflects your brand or personal style. Remember to keep your target audience in mind and aim for a design that is both visually appealing and easy to navigate. Section 6. Building blocks. Creating essential pages for your website. With your template customized, it's time to start adding content to your website. Every website needs a few essential pages to provide visitors with the information they need. The most important page on your website is your homepage. This is the first page visitors will see, so make it count. Your homepage should clearly communicate who you are, what you do, and what visitors can expect to find on your website. An About page is crucial for telling your story, sharing your values, and connecting with your audience on a personal level. Use this page to showcase your expertise, highlight your accomplishments, or simply share your passions. A contact page provides a way for visitors to get in touch with you. Include your email address, phone number, and social media links. Consider adding a contact form to make it easy for visitors to send you a message directly from your website. If you plan on sharing regular updates, insights, or news, consider adding a blog page. A blog is a great way to engage your audience, share your expertise, and drive traffic to your website. Section 7. Content is king. Adding text, images, and videos. Content is what brings your website to life and keeps visitors engaged. It's what they came to see, so make it count. When adding content to your website, focus on providing value to your audience. Use high-quality images and videos to break up text and make your content more visually appealing. Choose images that are relevant to your content and help tell your story. When writing text for your website, keep it concise, engaging, and easy to read. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break up large chunks of text and improve readability. Consider your target audience and write in a language they understand. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that might confuse your readers. Remember, your website is a reflection of you or your brand. Let your personality shine through in your writing and choose content that you're passionate about. Section 8. Supercharge your site. Integrating plugins and widgets. Plugins and widgets are like apps for your website. They add functionality and enhance your website's capabilities, allowing you to do even more with your site. Most website builders offer a library of free and paid plugins and widgets that you can easily integrate into your website. These tools can help you with everything from adding social media buttons to creating contact forms to tracking your website's analytics. If you're using WordPress.com, you'll have access to a vast library of plugins that can extend your website's functionality in countless ways. From SEO optimization to social media integration to e-commerce solutions, there's a plugin for almost everything. Wix also offers a wide range of apps and widgets through their app market. These apps can help you add features such as online booking, live chat, and email marketing to your website. Explore the available plugins and widgets for your chosen website builder and see which ones can help you achieve your website's goals. Remember to choose plugins and widgets from reputable developers to ensure security and compatibility with your website. Section 9. Spread the word, sharing your free website with the world. Congratulations! You've created a stunning website for free. Now it's time to share your creation with the world and start driving traffic to your online home. Start by sharing your website on your social media profiles. Let your friends, family, and followers know about your new website and encourage them to check it out. Consider adding your website URL to your email signature. This is a subtle yet effective way to promote your website every time you send an email. If you have a business, be sure to list your website on online directories and review sites. This will help people find you online and can drive traffic to your site. Engage with your audience on social media and other online platforms. Share links to your website content and participate in relevant conversations to increase awareness of your brand. Creating valuable and shareable content is one of the best ways to drive traffic to your website. When people find your content useful, they're more likely to share it with their networks, expanding your reach and bringing in new visitors. Section 10. You did it! Celebrating your new online presence. Creating a website is a significant accomplishment, and you should be proud of yourself for taking this step to establish your online presence. Your website is a testament to your creativity, your expertise, and your willingness to share your unique voice with the world. Remember, your website is a work in progress. As your business or personal brand evolves, so too should your website. Regularly update your content, refresh your design, and explore new ways to engage your audience. The online world is constantly changing, but with your new website, you're well equipped to navigate the digital landscape and connect with your audience in meaningful ways. Embrace the power of the internet, share your story, and watch your online presence flourish.